In this lesson video, I want to explain how I price my wedding DJ services and why this pricing strategy worked. Okay? So most DJs either undercharge or they randomly pick their prices. I'm going to break down exactly how I structure mine and why it works. That way you can give it a shot in your reality. Now, remember, you're not selling hours to clients, okay, guys? You are selling different levels of experience as a DJ, okay? So you have to realize that your pricing isn't based on time. It's based on how much of the experience you as a DJ is responsible for. Now, I want to break down my packages just so you can get an idea of what to charge and how this whole thing works. So first you have the entry point. This is where the lowest of the lows, where someone can have entry level access to your experience. This is the reception only package. I'll charge, for example, starting at $13.50. Okay, this is for couples who just need the party handled. That's it, just a reception. I mean, simple said and done, right? This is my entry offer. It solves one problem: the reception. This gets people into your funnel, right? It's very simple, it's clear, and it's easy for someone to say yes to. Next you have is the core offer. For example, mine is called the Woo Experience. We start that at $15.50. This is your money maker, okay? This is what most people actually need because it covers the full day of the wedding, right? It includes more detailed planning and controls the entire flow of the event. That's the perfect package for a couple to get the ceremony and reception service done. Now, remember, you're not just DJing, okay? You're running the entire wedding. Then we have our high-end package, our premium experience. That started around $26.50, right? That's the full transformation of the room, plus the experience, okay? This is for couples who want that wow factor, who literally just have a budget to spend and they choose to spend it with you. Now, this isn't about the hours, okay? It's about the visual and emotional impact that they have, that this package gives, the experiences and enhancements that this package includes, okay? Now, just so you can know, like, most of my clients land between $14.50 and $17.50 per booking, and that's because that's where I found the most value, and that's where the need met what they're looking for. Okay, now this just shows that I understand the market and I'm not guessing pricing. I have had super low prices, super high prices, and kind of found a median according to what a handful of clients have been requesting. Okay, now let's talk your real money strategies. Okay, guys, let's start off with deposits. I do require a 50% deposit to lock in your date, which is non-refundable. This filters serious clients and protects your time. I also have hourly add-ons. For example, extra time is additional $100 an hour. Simple upsell, sell them some sparklers, sell them some LED foam sticks. That is an easy yes. That's late in the night, especially if you actually bring foam sticks in your truck, your van, your car, and you're like, hey, I got some foam sticks I can bring out. Who knows? They might have extra money on site and they can give it to you. Now, remember this, but add-ons equals profit. Okay, guys? This is where you sound very advanced, okay? So you can come in and say, my base packages will get your date reserved for you, right? And the add-ons are just going to enhance your experience. But on the back end, the add-ons increases your profit, okay? Look at it this way. Experience enhancers are things like CO2 cannons, CO2 guns, LED foam sticks, right? That by itself, those three items, that equals like some type of fun, energetic environment, right? That's super dope. All right. For the visual side of it, you can offer things like uplighting as add-ons, and if you wanted to ball out, you can have this custom offer where you can build this light system, this rig, and bring this production style experience to the event. All right. Now, for special moments, the add-ons you can sell for the special moments for these events, and this is just talking about for weddings. I recommend sparklers for the sparkler send-offs. Those would never fail. I take sparklers to a few of my events for my clients. And then also, this is not really something that's essential, but once in a blue moon, you have a client that wants to reserve lapel mics because none of our packages come with them. So if you can put your hands on some lapel mics and rent those out in your packages to your clients, that will also give you more dollar on the ticket cost amount, right? Now, I don't rely on one price, guys. Like, I build a final price based on the experience they want. Of course, it has to be within budget. Of course, I give discounts because at the end of the day, I make my prices up, and so should you, okay? A lot of DJs try to raise their base price. I increase my average by stacking value, okay? If $1,500 is the base, let me upsell $250 for some sparklers for the send-off. Let me upsell $300, $400, $500 for some CO2 products, right? Just like that, you got a client that's paying over $2,000. The same client, more value, and that gives you more money, right? We all love more money. So if you structure your price like this, guys, if you structure your pricing like this, I promise you don't have to worry about chasing clients, okay? You guide them through a process, all right? If you're in my private school community, this is the level you need to be thinking at. Not just what to charge, but how to structure your experience for your guests. Now, if you would like to join, click the link in the bio or in the comment section to join our private school community. You'll get way more detailed breakdowns like this, plus behind the scene calls, phone calls, emails, text messages from my clients. You'll get to see stuff I don't show on YouTube. Again, if this is something that you're interested in, definitely click the link down below, and I'll see you guys on the next video.